Welcome Matchbox action drivers, collectors, Hot Wheels collectors. Today I have a review of the m86toys double row and single row parking lot kit. This is a 3D printed parking lot that interconnects and is compatible with the Matchbox action drivers and the Hot Wheels playsets. And because Matchbox doesn't offer any additional just flat parking spaces, I think this is a great idea. I purchased the 9-piece kit, which includes a double row of 8 parking spaces and a single row of 4 parking spaces, as well as a road that goes around 3 sides of the parking lot so that you can then connect it to the action driver's playset of your choice. You can also mix and match these together. So action driver's playsets normally have 2 roads on either side of the playsets. Technically, you could create a road that goes all the way around one particular playset, theoretically. You can also purchase individual road pieces from m86toys as well if you are wanting to create your own custom setup. And he also sells just the parking lots as they are. Create the ultimate car city with interlocking parking lot tiles, endless play possibilities. There's also a couple different variations of this parking lot. There's one that has 2 handicap spots, and so 2 handicap spots here, crossed out handicap spots there, and then 4, so it's one of these and then one of those. I purchased this one because I think this one is the best one because it has the most parking spaces and is the most usable. The pieces interconnect, and these are hard 3D printed pieces, unlike the softer Matchbox action drivers roads, so they are put together slightly differently and you have to be kind of careful with them. Here's the underside, and then there's also this little lip piece on certain ones here, so you have to be careful when you put them together, and they kind of go together only in a certain way. Boom. So that's really easy, and cars can easily drive on it. The surface is slick, but it also has this really nice textured asphalt-like texture to it, and there's also printed parking lines. They're very nice. So it clicks together pretty well. You have to kind of put it together in a certain order, and you have to be really careful about the edges here. but the scale is perfect for 1/64 scale die-cast cars. Looks really great, I think. So it definitely has a really nice look to it, great feel. I think it's a great addition to your Matchbox Action Drivers collection. Interestingly, you have to kind of plan out where you're going to put it and what set you're going to connect it to, because it sort of only works with certain ones depending on what size set you have. So I'm now going to try to demonstrate that with a few different sets. Check out his products at m86toys.com. If you like this video, you may also like to watch these other Matchbox Action Driver videos. One of them shows how to connect the Matchbox Action Driver playsets to the m86 parking lot, and you can get a feel for how the layout actually works with a few different sets. Thanks for watching.